Lynchberg, Virginia. Amtrak do apologize for its lateness and any inconvenience. We do appreciate you traveling with Amtrak and have a safe and wonderful day. Please be careful when boarding the train, for there is a gap between the platform and the train. Again, we do apologize for its lateness. Have a safe and wonderful day. Next on track 3, the track furthest from the building will be southbound Acela Express 2121 with direct services to Washington Union Station. Please exit the building to your right, take the elevators and stairs up, over the overpass and down to track 3. Acela Express 2121 with direct services to Washington